Welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus Exam vocabulary one word at a time. Before we get into today's word, here's a reminder that we deliver live workshops throughout the year for students preparing for their 11 Plus exam. These workshops cover comprehension, verbal reasoning, writing, and maths. In the last academic year, we helped over 5,000 students. Give it a try and improve week after week. Just visit the Exam Coach website for more information. That's www.theexamcoach.tv. Today's word is gargantuan. It is pronounced gar-gan-chu-un, and it is spelt Gargantuan. Think gar, then gan, then tu, and then an. Gargantuan means, quite simply, enormous. For example, you could say, he had a gargantuan appetite. Gargantuan comes from the word Gargantua, the name of the greedy giant in the novel The Inestimable Life of Gargantua, which was written in the 1590s. Are you ready to learn about some gargantuan world records? The largest crocodile ever captured was 21 foot. That's 6.4 meters long, and it weighed over 600 kilograms. This croc was captured in the Philippines and took 30 men to subdue. The biggest hailstone ever recorded measured 9.3 inches. That's 23.6 centimeters in diameter in 2018. This lump of ice was the size of a football, and it fell during a thunderstorm in Argentina. It was called gargantuan hail. Gargantuan is an adjective, and therefore a describing word. For example, you could say, the small child somehow managed to eat all of the gargantuan pizza before him. Gargantuan is defined in the dictionary as very large. Gargantuan synonyms include enormous, massive, huge, colossal, and vast. Antonyms include tiny, small, minute, and minuscule. See if you can notice anything gargantuan today. It could be an enormous ice cream or a large building. Either way, impress your family by pointing out that it is gargantuan. Have a top day ahead, and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time for another Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show.